Hey everyone, welcome back to Here's Some Food. So, did you know that teriyaki is a Seattle thing? I guess if you're not from Washington State, there's a good chance that you did know that, so here's another question. Why did no one tell me? Follow up. Why was I allowed to leave? Let's back up. As we all know by now, I moved a few months ago from Washington State, where I'd lived my entire life, out to the Twin Cities, and I cannot begin to express the emotional turmoil I went through when I discovered one day that there isn't teriyaki here. It's not a thing. There are a few places that boast teriyaki in their names, but it's not the teriyaki that I know from home. That sweet, sticky sauce, the charred meat or fried tofu triangles, the rice, steamed cabbage and carrots, or that iceberg salad mixture with the weird sweet mayo sauce. No, apparently that's all Seattle teriyaki, and there's nothing like it around here. I know what I need to do. I don't know why I thought that would work. Alright, plan B. So, the thing about Seattle-style teriyaki is that aside from the charred marinated meat, which isn't going to be applied here, and thank goodness, because I don't have a way to grill it, the real defining characteristic is the sauce. And the internet seems to go one of two ways with sauce development. On one side, you've got your soy sauce, mirin, and sake-based sauces, and on the other side, your soy sauce, brown sugar, and ginger-based sauces. I don't have sake, so I'm trying the latter this time around. Here's hoping it pays off. First though, since I'm doing tofu teriyaki, I'm gonna get my tofu started draining. I'm just gonna cut it into slabs, sort of weird shaped, so these are weird slabs, and get those pressed. Now, it's on to the sauce. By all accounts, this should be pretty straightforward. Into a small saucepan, we're gonna measure out a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, a cup of water, a tablespoon of rice vinegar, 4 packed tablespoons brown sugar, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, a teaspoon ground ginger, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and whisk to combine those. Then, into a small measuring cup, we're making a slurry with about 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch and a 1/4 cup of water. Please note, you're seeing my measurements a little different, but that's because I had to improvise when my sauce refused to thicken. Do as I say, not as I do. Anyway, I'm gonna get this saucepan on the stove and heat it over medium heat until it starts to simmer. I'm going to be stirring this constantly, which is why we made the slurry ahead of time. Once it simmers, I'm gonna add my slurry and then keep stirring until the sauce thickens up. Alright, that's beautiful. We're gonna remove that from the heat and get a pan going with a couple tablespoons of oil in it. While that heats, I'm just gonna finish up with my tofu here, cutting the slabs into those beautiful teriyaki restaurant triangles we all know and love, unless we're not from Washington, in which case we don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, gonna put our tofu wrangles? It's fine, into the pan and fry every side and every edge until all are crispy and golden brown and beautiful. Once they're all done, don't be afraid to fry in batches, I'm gonna get my sauce on there and move the tofu around gently. We wanna coat the tofu in the sauce without the tofu breaking up. That's looking pretty good, and I think it's time to plate up. Alright, I've got some rice here, got some steamed cabbage, I've garnished with some sesame seeds and sliced green onions. Yep, it's some food alright. Now, this doesn't look completely right since I don't have any styrofoam takeout containers sitting around, but it sure doesn't look bad. So it's time to see if I've cracked the code or if I'm gonna have to continue through the rest of the stages of grief here. You know what? I have hope. Like, this isn't exactly what I'm used to, but it is definitely close. It's got the right texture, it's got a pretty good sweetness. I think in the future I might tweak the soy sauce to water ratio, maybe add some sesame oil, but it's not bad for a first try, and it's definitely scratching that itch. I feel like I can breathe a little easier now, knowing that teriyaki need not be completely denied me. But you know, with all the everything that's been going on lately, I think what I really need is a vacation. You know, get out there, do some traveling. I'll see you guys around. Thanks for watching Here's Some Food. If you liked what you saw, how about liking the video or subscribing to our channel? Want to join our bustling fan base? Head over to our page on Facebook. We can also be found on Instagram and on Tumblr of all things, links in the description. And of course, for recipes and show notes, check out our fancy new website, heresomefood.com. Yeah, that's all. Bye-bye.